Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 8th grade concept of calculating interest. This is standard 8.12D in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 38 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we're going to put $1,287, that's a very specific amount, into a savings account for 8 years. We're not going to touch it. We're going to get 4% simple annual interest, no additional deposits and withdrawals. So what is my new balance after the 8 years? All right, and we got to bubble that in. All right, well, let's first look at simple interest. If we look on our mathematics chart, we're going to see a very simple formula for simple interest, PRT. If we don't know what those letters stand for, we're going to be in a world of hurt. So let's explore that real quick. P is for the principal. So this is the amount of money that's earning interest. It is the $1,287. If you were to make additional deposits or take out money with withdrawals, you would have to recalculate it because the principal would change. But it does say that there are no additional deposits or withdrawals, so our principal stays the same. So the R is going to be your interest rate, sometimes just called rate. That's where that R comes in. And you see that the word rate never even shows up in the problem. They just say what is the percentage. So the rate is always going to be that percent, that 4% in this case. And then the T is, that's time. How much time are we going to calculate this interest? It's annual, which means it's yearly. That annual means yearly, and we have 8 years. All right, so we can kind of put that into here and say, you know what, the principal is 1,287. Multiply that by 4%. We're not going to multiply by a percent. What we're going to do is we're going to change that into a decimal. If there are no decimals in that percentage, go ahead and put it after the ones place. 1, 2. Move it over twice. 0.04. And then we're going to multiply that by our time, 8 years. So if you wanted to simplify that, you could do your 1287. You can go and multiply the 8 times the 0.04. So 8 times 4 is 32. We got 2 digits behind the decimal, so 0.32. So like I said, it's a very specific amount, 1,287. So let's see what that is going to do for us. And what we're going to get is 1287. If you want, you could do it by paper pencil, but go ahead and pull out your calculator if you've got one. All right, so you're going to get $411.84. And if you were to bubble this in, you would be incorrect. Remember, this is our simple interest. We need the balance. The balance is the principal plus the interest. So our principal was the 1287. We got to put that money back in. That money didn't leave. We just earned $411. So now we can do this by hand if we want to. And we're going to get $16.9884. So let's see what that would look like if we wanted to put that in our answer document. We're going to need to use every single column. So you're going to get a thin column that's got the decimal. There's no bubbles underneath that. You've got 2 digits to the right of the decimal. You've got 4 digits to the left of the decimal. I'm just going to kind of put the numbers up on the top and trust that you would know to bubble in the correct numbers underneath. So find your 1698 and your 84, and you are good to go. That is our answer, $1,698.84.